Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal has received approval from the National Medical Commission NMC to increase its annual MBBS intake from 125 to 150 seats for the academic year 2026-27, marking a significant boost to medical education in the northeastern region. In another major development, the National Dental Commission, in short NDC, has granted permission to start Master of Dental Surgery MDS courses at the Dental College RIMS from the same academic year. The MDS programs will be introduced in 6 specialties, which include oral and maxillofacial pathology and oral microbiology, periodontology, orthodontics and dentofacial orthopedics, conservative dentistry and endodontics, oral and maxillofacial surgery and prosthodontics, and crown and bridge, with 3 seats each. The press release issued by RIMS Media Cell stated that these approvals will strengthen medical and dental education, expand specialist healthcare services, and help to produce more skilled healthcare professionals for Manipur, the northeastern region, and the nation.